Hi everyone. In the last class, we have discussed about elements. Chemically, matter can be divided into pure form and impure form. Pure form of matter again divided into elements and compounds. Impure form of matter divided into homogeneous and heterogeneous. We have already discussed about the elements. They are metals, non-metals, metallites and inert gases in the last class. In this class, we will discuss about the other chemical forms of matter. They are compounds and impure form of matter. Then first one is compounds. Compounds of what is compound? When two or more different elements are combined to give compounds. For example, water, sodium chloride, hydrogen chloride. These are the examples of compounds. And compounds again divided into two types. One is inorganic and another one is organic compounds. Okay, first one, inorganic compounds. Inorganic compounds are compounds which do not contain carbon, and these are not derived from living matter. And next one, these compounds are prepared in the laboratory. For example, salts, acids and bases. And next one, organic compounds. Organic compounds are generally any chemical compounds that contain carbon. For example, fats, sugar, nucleic acids. Okay, why organic compounds deals with only carbon? Because of carbon have some specific properties. They are like catenation, allotropes, covalent bonds. Okay, first one is the catenation. Catenation is the binding of an element to itself through covalent bonds to form chain or ring molecules. For example, carbon is the most common elements that exhibits catenation. It can form long hydrocarbon chains and rings like benzene. And next one, allotropy, the existence of two or more different physical form of chemical element. In the allotropes, the chemical formula is same but physical forms are different. For example, graphite and diamonds are allotropes of carbon. And next one is the covalent bonds. The sharing of lone pair of electrons between two atoms is called as covalent bonds. For example, methane, ethane, and these are the examples of covalent bonds. The carbon can ability to form covalent bonds with other elements also. And next one, impure form of matter. An impure substance is made of two or more elements or compounds that are not bonded together chemically. In the pure form of matter, the elements are compounds that are bonded together chemically. For example, air, soil, or sand in water, and fruit juice. And impure form of matter again divided into two types. One is homogeneous and second one is heterogeneous. First one is homogeneous mixture. When two or more compounds are mixed and uniformly throughout, that is homogeneous mixture. For example, salt in water, sugar in water. Okay, these are the examples of homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture also called as solution. In the solution, two components is there. One is solute and another one is solvent. First one, solvent. In the solution, which component is present in large amount, that is called as solvent. The solvent dissolves the solute. And next one is the solute. In the solution, which component is present in smaller amount, that is called as solute. The solute dissolved by the solvent. For example, salt in water. The salt is solute and water is solvent. The salt is dissolved by the water. The water dissolves salt. This is the example for the solute and solvent. And next one is the heterogeneous mixture. When two or more components are mixed and non-uniformly throughout, that is called heterogeneous mixture. For example, sand in water, oil in water. These are the examples of heterogeneous mixture. This is all about the chemical form of matter. And in the next class we will discuss about some other basic concepts of chemistry. If you have any doubts in this video, let me know through comment section. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.